Okay, I hear the deer and everything, guys. This is the actual setup I've got here. Guys, put loads of stuff together, truckersman's hitch and all that kind of good stuff into here, bowline. It's not as good as I thought it was, but there we are. That's what you do when it's done in the dark. Got that there, set up there. As you can see, my 4x4. I've got that there, just so I can see where everything is. There's the sleeve, and there's the back towards like the road. There's my setup and everything like that there, guys. Grab that log, a couple of logs, I may put that on. I've got this here, truckersman's hitch and everything like that. I've used them. Okay, so they were actually on there because I put them on there then. I used which was around me. I could put that down, but I'm not going to. It's fine there, fine here. Get into here, and I've got a sleeping bag and all that kind of stuff. So guys, here's my sleeping bag. I'll be warm enough in here, mozzanite and everything. I've got my keys in there. I've used this before where I put the string on there to open it and close it, that kind of thing, but I've not got it on this side. I knew that. I could change it around. This is what it's all about. Getting in here and testing all your different equipment. Thinking, what do I need for different things? All that kind of stuff. Hi YouTube, hi Bushcraft buddies, the Bushcraft Piper. Well, welcome. This is a DD wild camp. I'm out here, I'm enjoying myself. It's been very quiet, there's been a lot of people around, so I've not been able to really do much kind of video work. What I've got for my main meal just now is I've got rice, okay, as you can see, and I have I think it's sasiki, okay. So I've got a wee bit of butter. I'm going to be using my new gas cooker. The deer are out, so they're making loads of noises and everything like that, which is lovely. I apologise about the actual sound with the roads and everything like that. I've got my little reflector there, got a wee bit of light there, my little gas and everything. My tarp and everything is set up. My 4x4 and my frontline hammock also. My sleeping bag's in there. I couldn't show you very much video work because there was people going about. So I'll get this on the go and I'll bring you back. So all rice, mix that about and everything like that. It's called express rice, you know. A couple of things and all that type in there. I've got like a 24-hour ration pack which I've actually made up myself. So I've got that. A nice little Bon Marie express rice. It's Asian parboiled. Okay. And that's my good lady gave me the sasiki to put on later on. So I'll get that up and running. Well, that works well, I'm happy with that. Get that off there. Okay, yeah, parboiled. A little bit of butter in there, guys. It's a nice woodland camp for me. Put that down a bit. Get that rice in there, guys. Okay, and my good lady says about 5 minutes at least. actually brought them with me. I will be showing you some pictures of the actual setup and everything like that. I have taken some already. Get the gas out, that's enough. That has been about 5 minutes I've had it, so I'm happy with that. And as my good lady said, get the sasiki in there, that'll do the way it is. Get the wee jars, mix it all in. I will have a wee bit of coffee and a wee bit, keep myself warm, or soup. I've got soup there, got chalky bars and everything like that. Hi guys, hope everybody's doing well, I really do. I'm out, I think it's called my front line hammock, DD, okay, and my 4 metre by 4 metre DD tarp. Got it all set up. I will show you some pictures and everything. I'll show you just little bits of the actual video I put. There was some I couldn't do, but it's just about enjoying it. As you can see, it's cool, it's getting cool. Supposedly it's going to rain, but I'm not sure. It was kind of spitting earlier on. There's not much video work I could do because there have been people about and everything. I'm all cooked and everything. I've just kept this on there because this is, you know, in case SHTF kind of thing, or you know, it's got first aid and everything like that, and my maps and my torches and all that kind of good stuff. My setup and everything. Hi guys, well, I'm in my hammock. It's nice and warm now. Okay, to my right, your left, it's open. I've kept it open. I've put this mylar blanket up, okay, and hopefully with the conduction and everything like that, you know, with the heat rising and all that that's coming back onto me. Underneath I'm okay, I'm well off the ground and all this kind of stuff, but you can feel the breeze coming in. The reason I'm in my hammock is because over there's guys that are, you know, they're playing about in this kind of patio thing. But here is actually really, really nice. You know, I've got that cordage up there anyway, where I've got this little bag. I'll show you. There it is. I've got my mobile phone and everything in there, and my keys and all that. For the mileage, I'll tell you what, I can just feel the difference. It's no touching my skin, but of course it's, you know, I think it's just keeping that, and there's still space and all that kind of thing for breathing and all that kind of stuff, but it's good. So my fire's actually ready, and I will be getting it on in a little bit because I want to when they start quieting down and everything like that. So I'll see you then. This is what it's all about, guys. Right here. Safety at mind, off the ground. Nice label. I would just like to say one thing, guys. This is what it's all about. You know, the bushcraft and all that. I'm glad I've purchased that. My good lady purchased that for me. You know, ladies and gentlemen, this is what it's about, sitting around the fire. There's one thing, guys, this is what it's about, you know, a fire, keep you warm, get a brew on the go, which I'm doing just now. Luckily I've got my grill there. I've not used it very often, but I've got it there, and I've got my zebra can, my 10-inch zebra can on this platform off the ground. Beautiful. This is what it's all about, ain't it? Hey guys, just before I go, thoroughly enjoyed this. Could you imagine doing this every evening? Lovely. Just thoroughly enjoying yourself in front of a fire. The next video I do, will be Lean-To Part 3. That's next weekend. And then the following weekend, I will be doing a get your home bag survival thing, so stay tuned for them. So until the next time, take care.